Now for this method, you don't have to disable the internet. I'm going to press Shift F10 here. The version I'm using here, and I have to click into that window, the version I'm using here is an insider preview 26220. And what I'm going to do is run regedit, and I'm going to add an entry to the registry. So I'm going to open up HKey local machine, open software, open Microsoft by clicking on the little arrow. We're going to go to Windows. We're going to select CurrentVersion, and we're going to click on OOBE. So rather than just expanding it, we are going to actually click on OOBE. And I'm going to click in the white space here and say new 32-bit dword. So again, right click in the white space, new dword 32-bit value. I'm going to change it to hide online account screens. Make sure you type it exactly like I've typed it. I'm going to right click on that, click modify, set the value to 1 and click OK. We're now going to shut down the computer and reboot it. So shutdown /R for reboot, time equals 0. So now what I'm going to do is select my country as United States, set my keyboard to US, not going to add a second keyboard. I'm going to accept the license agreement, and notice I can set a username of David now. I am online at the moment, so to prove that point, I'll just open up a command prompt, and I'm going to ping 8.8.8, so Google's DNS server. So I am on the internet, and I can set up a local user account with a password if I want. I'm not going to set up a password. I'm going to click next, turn off all this tracking nonsense, and click accept. So you can see that it's looking for Windows updates. I am online. I personally would disable the internet just to get the machine up and running, and then I can run the updates later. But the updates are running at this point. My account is a local account. If I go to system, you can see it's a local account. And if I run WinVer, you can see this is Windows 11 version 25H2 26220.2523. I was able to set up a local account even though I'm connected to the internet by adding that entry to the registry.